Hello, everybody. It has been a very long time, and I have missed you all dearly, but I'm happy to be back, and I'm happy to talk about what's going on with my Japanese now. So, for the past 4 months, I've been on tour pretty much nonstop with the various bands that I perform with, but I've also been maintaining my Japanese. Now, I'm not learning anything new at the moment in Japanese, but I do want to make sure that I'm not forgetting any of the stuff that I learned last year. And it turns out that just doing that is quite a big task on its own. So, in the new year, I have averaged around an hour a day just to maintain all of that old knowledge. Now, 95% of that is just keeping up with my Anki reviews, making sure I'm hitting those flashcards and studying every day. And the other part of it is just making sure that I speak the language from time to time. And I've been finding that if I can go, say, to a Japanese restaurant, even just once or twice a month, where I can speak for 30 to 60 minutes with somebody there in Japanese, that, along with my flashcard reviews, has been enough to keep my Japanese in good shape. Now, this is a short term solution, and there is a lot of work that I would love to do on my Japanese. But that's going to have to wait until I have the time to go more deeply into Japanese again. And at the moment, there are a number of different projects that are taking most of my time. That's partially why you haven't heard from me so much recently on this channel. And that brings me to my next announcement, which is that I have moved to Germany. So I live in Berlin now, and I have been here officially since March. And it's been a lot of work and a lot of paperwork and very time consuming to make this happen, but I am glad to be here, and I will be here for the next couple of years at least, which means that I need to learn German. And in fact, I have already begun. I started learning German just over a month ago, and man, it's going so much faster than Japanese. So it's been very refreshing and a lot of fun to learn German. But I do not want to forget entirely about my Japanese studies because it is a language that I enjoy and one that I hope to be able to use more in the future. Anyway, that's all for now. この動画を見てくれてありがとうございます。I will see you guys later. また。